Two types of cat. Me whenever I need more words in my essay. Don't. Do. Not. When you doing good on your diet but pizza be like. Milk then cereal then bowl. The cat was shocked. How much do you overthink? Me. How to have fun as an adult. Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the most painful spot to assault an enemy. My brain don't say it, don't say it, don't say it. Me, he's the breadwinner. Me getting ready to take 563 pictures and not post any of them. When you are the only one who had a water bottle in the classroom. Today's kids' photography. When I was a kid. Me after getting kissed by a girl for the first time. She had stage 4 cooties. Can I take a picture? Sure, thanks. My kettle has turned into Dave Grohl. When you go to click next episode and realize you just finished the series. Horse plays in water, smiles then farts aggressively. I need a bed like this in my life. Twin engine. Moms when the daughter gets a boyfriend. Moms when their son gets a girlfriend.